Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add debit card to Western Union app. First, open the Western Union app on your phone. Make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are inside the app, tap on the menu icon. This is usually located in the top corner or at the bottom of the screen. After opening the menu, look carefully to see if there is an option called Add Payment Method or Debit Card. In some regions, this option will appear directly in the menu. If you see it, tap on it and continue to add your card. If you do not see an option to add a debit or credit card in the menu, do not worry. This is normal in some countries. In this case, go back to the main screen of the app and choose the option to send money. You will now be asked to enter an amount. Type in any amount you want to send and tap Continue. On the next screen, you will see different payment options. From this list, choose debit card or credit card. After selecting this option, tap Continue. The app will now guide you to the card details screen. Here, you need to enter your card information carefully. Start by typing the name that appears on your card. Then enter your debit card number, the expiration date, and the security code from the back of the card. After that, fill in your street address, city, zip code, and any other required address details. Make sure the address matches the one linked to your bank account. Double-check all the information you entered to avoid mistakes. Once the process is complete, your debit card will be added to your Western Union account and ready to use for future transfers. Thanks for watching.